Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ClickUp AI for meeting notes and action items, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate ClickUp AI for meeting notes and action items, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to enable ClickUp AI. Click on the settings icon in the lower left corner of your screen. In the settings menu, locate the ClickApps section. Within ClickApps, find the option for ClickUp AI. Toggle the switch to enable ClickUp AI for your workspace. Next, navigate to the specific task or document where you want to use AI for meeting notes. Click on the Add Comment or Add Description field. You will see a prompt that indicates you can use AI features. Type in your meeting notes or action item requests in the text box. After entering your text, look for the Generate button. Click on the Generate button to allow ClickUp AI to process your request. Within moments, ClickUp AI will present you with a structured summary of your meeting notes. Review the generated notes carefully. If necessary, make any adjustments or edits to refine the content. Once you are satisfied, save the notes to ensure they are recorded. For action items, repeat the process by clearly stating what tasks need to be assigned. Utilize the AI to create actionable items based on your discussion points. Make sure to assign each action item to the appropriate team members. Lastly, set due dates for each action item to keep your team accountable. After completing these steps, your meeting notes and action items will be organized and easily accessible. You are now ready to efficiently use ClickUp AI for your meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.